First class, let me introduce myself. My name is Hindu SV. I am from Mysuru, which is known as cultural capital city of Karnataka. You all know Dasra, right? Yeah, it happens there only. Then I started my dance journey when I was 3 years old, and to this year it completes 20 years. Yeah. Before starting our classes, I want to know, what is dance for you all? What will you get from dancing? I think you all like dance, right? You like to do dancing, right? What will you get from it? Yeah, I tell you, there are so many uses from dancing. Okay? First, it's an exercise for your body, right? You stretch, you sit, you get up, you move on, you run, right? Yeah. It's also known as cardio exercises. So you can keep your heart healthy. Then it reduces anxiety and stress. Yeah, when we think about this situation, this pandemic, this COVID is everywhere. We are sitting only, like, we are not doing anything, right? We are sitting in our house. It's so stressful. So it dancing reduces your stress and anxiety. Next, improve your memory. It helps to improve your memory. It helps you to improve your memory. Next, it tones. Toning of muscles happen, right? Then what else? Creativity. It increases creativity in kids. Apart from this, leave everything. What it gives, it's such a pleasure to dance, right? Yeah, you can forget yourself and you just move on. It's such a pleasure. So there are so many uses from dancing. In India, there are 7 classical dance forms. What are they? Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi, Kathakali, Mohiniyattam, Odissi, Manipuri, Kathak. And recently they have added Satriya. Okay. First adavu, tattadavu. You move your foot to the sides and sit down. This position is called as Aramandi. Okay. Then tap. Tap from your right leg. 1, 2. Tie, yeah, tie. Tie, yeah, tie. Second step. Tie your thumb. Tie your thumb. Third step. Tie, tie, thumb. Tie, tie, thumb. While doing this, don't bend forward. Don't do like this. Keep your body straight. And the fourth one. Tie, 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 thumb. And don't go up and down. Don't do like this. Okay? Tie, 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 thumb. Second adavu is mettadavu. Hold this hasta. This is called as Tripataka. Hold it in front of your chest. Yeah. Sit in Aramandi. Do like this. This is called as Kunchita. Tai, ya, ta. Your hand and thigh line must be in parallel. Tai, ya, ta. 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 Practice these 2 adavus. Yeah. You have to keep your hands stiffly. Do it. Tai, ya, ta. Ta, tai, ya, ta. Good. In next class, we will learn few more steps of Tattadavu and Mettadavu. Do Namaskara. We are learning Bharatanatyam. It is originated from Tamil Nadu. Okay. Then, in Bharatanatyam, there are three parts: Nritta, Nritya, and Natya. Okay. Before that, Bharata. What the name says, Bharatanatyam, right? Bha means bhava, Ra means raga, and Ta means tala. Bhava means emotions, raga means melody or the tune which we give, and tala is the rhythm pattern, how we perform. Okay, these three are very important in Bharatanatyam. As the name itself says, it includes bhava, raga, and tala. Yeah, I wanted to tell you about Nritta, Nritya, and Natya. Nritta is a rhythmic pattern. It just represents the rhythm, okay? Like tak, kit, ta. We are not showing any emotions here. It's just using our hands, legs, with the help of our body. We are just representing the rhythm pattern, okay? Tak, kit, tak, kit, tak, kit is just a movement of our bodies. So what is the meaning of Nritta? Nritta is representing the language of rhythm with the help of our body. It doesn't have any emotions in it. Okay, they don't. Like in let me tell you any song, like in Devar Namas, Krishna Baro. It has some meaning. We are calling Krishna, come here. But in Nritta there are sholkatus. Like this it has. Nritya. It's a combination of rhythm and expressions. Okay? Both rhythm and expressions. Then Natya. What is Natya? We are telling a story through a dance. Okay, let us take Ramayana, Mahabharata, any Purana, any story from Purana or any kind of story. We are narrating it through our dance. It's a thematic representation. This is known as Natya. I hope everyone understood about Nritta, Nritya and Natya. We know letters. By joining letters we make a word. By joining word we make a sentence. Like that only, to make a dance is like a sentence. We need to learn letters and words. What are they? They are adavus. Yeah. Initially we need to learn adavus. After learning adavus, we can join number of different steps to make a dance items. Okay. So why we need to learn adavu? To improve flexibility and attain right posture. Yeah. And to initially we get muscle cramps, right? Starting only we can't do such a 30 minutes of dance. Can you do initially? No. So you need a practice. It increases our stamina. And we get to know what is talam, kalam. Kalam means speed. Like takit, takit, takit. There are three speeds we usually do. First speed, second speed and third speed. They are known as kalam. Okay. So to get to know all about these things, we initially need to learn adavus. There are so many adavus, but mainly there are 10 adavus. They are known as Dashavida adavus. Okay, Tattadavu, Mettadavu, Natadavu. So many are there. Okay. After learning adavus, we need to learn about Abhinaya. Abhinaya. What is Abhinaya? Abhinaya is the language of expression. There are 4 abhinayas: Angika, Vachika, Satvika, and Aharya. What is Angika Abhinaya? Using our body parts, we express ourselves, right? For this, let me give you an example. What is this? You come here. Okay. This is known as Angika Abhinaya. For this, we use our eyes, right? Hands, legs. After learning all the Abhinayas, we start to learn dance items. Initially, the first dance item is Alaripu, second one is Jatswara, third one is Devarnama. I am going to teach all these 3: Alaripu, Jatiswara and Devarnama. Okay? Do you have any doubts? Shall we start the class? Today I am going to teach you in Dashavida Adavu, the first Adavu, that Adavu, and the second Adavu, Met